If you're wondering how to use Hostinger with WordPress, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact beginner-friendly steps to get inside your WordPress dashboard, create pages, install a theme, add plugins, edit your content, and publish your site with confidence. This is a simple workflow, but once you understand it, building a WordPress website on Hostinger becomes much easier. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more website tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, look for your website section. Hostinger makes this pretty straightforward, so from here you want to go to websites, then open your dashboard, and then click admin panel for WordPress. This takes you directly into the WordPress backend, which is where you'll manage your pages, design, plugins, and content. Once the WordPress admin panel opens, take a moment to get familiar with the left-hand menu. This is where most of the important work happens. If you want to create a new page, go to Pages, then click Add New. This is where you can build pages like your home page, about page, contact page, or any landing page you need. You can give the page a title, add text, images, buttons, and layout blocks, then save your progress as you go. Now let's talk about design. If you want your website to look professional, go to Appearance, then click Themes. Here, you can browse available themes, install a new one, and activate it with just a few clicks. Your theme controls the overall look and style of your website, so choosing the right one is a big part of building your site on Hostinger and WordPress. Pick a theme that matches your brand, your content, and the type of website you want to create. After that, you'll probably want to add extra functionality. That's where plugins come in. Go to Plugins, then click Add New. From here, you can search for plugins that help with SEO, security, contact forms, page building, backups, caching, and more. Install only the plugins you actually need because keeping your site clean and lightweight helps performance. Once you find a plugin you want, click Install, then Activate. Next, you can start editing your pages. Depending on the setup of your website, you may use the default block editor or a visual builder like Elementor. If you're using the block editor, you can click into each section and build your page using headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, and other blocks. If you're using Elementor, you'll get a more drag and drop style editing experience, which is great for beginners who want to see their changes live as they build. When editing a page, focus on structure first. Add a clear heading, write your main message, break the content into sections, and make sure the page is easy to read. If you're building a homepage, include a strong headline, an introduction, your key services or benefits, and a clear call to action. If you're building an about page, keep it simple and make it easy for visitors to understand who you are and what you do. Once your page looks good, always preview it before publishing. This helps you catch spam issues, formatting problems, or anything that doesn't display the way you want. When everything looks ready, click Publish. That makes the page live on your website so visitors can see it. And that's the basic process for how to use Hostinger WordPress. Log into Hostinger, open your WordPress admin panel, create pages, install your theme, add plugins, edit your content, and publish when you're done. Once you repeat this a few times, it becomes very easy and intuitive. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress and website building tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.